Did you know that YouTube isn't just a platform for sharing videos? It's also a powerful investment strategy. Imagine turning your hobbies into a business that generates passive income. Whether it's teaching skills, reviewing products, or sharing your story, YouTube can open the door to financial freedom. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you how to transform your passion into a long-term business and how this strategy can build a steady stream of passive income. Stay tuned, because this could be the smartest investment you ever make. Many people struggle with the idea of balancing financial security with doing something they truly enjoy. Traditional jobs often rely on trading time for money, leaving little room for growth or freedom. But what if you could invest your time and skills into creating a system that works for you, earning income even while you sleep? YouTube allows you to do just that. With the right approach, it can become a scalable business and a gateway to passive income streams. Let me show you how. Building a business on YouTube boils down to 3 key steps: create, monetize, and scale. Along the way, it transforms into a powerful investment in your future. Let's dive in. Creating content is your first investment. Unlike traditional investments such as stocks or real estate, your primary input here is your time and expertise. By producing videos that entertain, educate, or solve problems, you're building an asset that can generate returns for years. For example, a single tutorial video can continue earning ad revenue and affiliate commissions long after it's published. This is where YouTube stands out. It's not just a job. It's a library of assets working for you 24/7. Even small channels with just a few thousand subscribers can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly. Over time, as your audience grows, so do your returns. Once your channel meets YouTube's requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads. Channels typically earn $3 to $10 per 1,000 views, depending on their niche and audience engagement. But YouTube's real potential lies in diversifying income. It requires minimal ongoing effort once set up. Your videos continue to work for you, providing passive income long after their release. As your channel grows, reinvesting your earnings can amplify your returns. This reinvestment is the key to turning YouTube into a long-term wealth-building strategy. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's an investment vehicle. By reinvesting your profits, you're compounding your growth, much like reinvesting dividends in the stock market. The difference? You have full control over the growth trajectory. Unlike traditional businesses, YouTube has low startup costs, unlimited earning potential, and the ability to generate passive income. A single well-performing video can earn revenue for years, much like owning a rental property or dividend stock, without the high upfront costs. To turn your passion into profit and build passive income, remember these 3 steps. Create valuable content, monetize with multiple income streams, and scale your channel for long-term growth. Think of YouTube as more than a platform. It's an investment in your financial future. By reinvesting your earnings wisely, you're not just building a channel, you're building a business that can work for you indefinitely. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to turn their passion into profit. Your journey to passive income could start today. Remember to save, invest, and protect to build wealth for life.